I'm gonna show you how you can get Spotify Premium for free. Now we're gonna take advantage of the free trial, but you want to head over to spotify.com/fee-en/premium/ and then you can see right now we can listen without limits. We can try 1 month of premium individual for $0. Well, basically free, right? If you scroll down, you can see there's actually two plans we can get for free. We can get the individual for around $0 for 1 month. And we can also get the student plan for $0 for a 1 month as well, alright? And if you want to get it for a month for free for any one of these, tap on try 1 month for $0 here. Tap on it. And then on here, you'll have to pick your payment method. So right now, they accept credit card or debit card. They also accept PayPal. If you want to use credit or debit card, tap on that, enter in your card number, your expire date, your security code, and then you have to save the card for future purchases. And then just click on complete purchase and you see will be charged $0 or for free. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.